Hello everybody, it's your favorite traveling channel, and welcome to a hotel room tour again. I got a new one for you this time. This one is called the Radisson, Raddison, in Lenexa, Kansas, which, for those of you that don't know, is the Kansas City area. So without further ado, let me show you what this one's like. This is my first time here, so we'll find out together. As soon as I flip the camera. Oh, okay, I took a picture. I wanted. Okay. Still going right? Okay. All right. So, okay. There's the door. You walk in here. Immediately to your right is looks like a closet. Yep, that's exactly what it is. Got a closet, plenty of hangers and ironing board, luggage rack, all pretty standard. Get some light in here. To the left is the bathroom, with the vanity included inside. Your favorite content creator. Hair dryer, bar of soap, body lotion. What's this? Shampoo, probably. Oh yeah, shampoo. Another little mirror. The toilet, the towels. Bathtub, shower head, which looks pretty nice, and like it has a few settings as well, so that's good. Onto the bed part. Got a nightstand with a lamp with a socket on it. On the left of the bed. Same thing on the right, only with a landline as well. TV with a dresser. And the remote wrapped in plastic to keep it fresh, I guess. I guess what they want you to do is like use it over the plastic so that way no one touches it. Like, I guess that would make sense. List of channels for all the stuff you want to watch. Looks like pretty much anything you want to watch is going to be included here. The bed, all nice and neat, but not for long though, because I'm going to jump on it. Ah. Oh yeah. And got some pillows here, 4 of them. And pretty sure the pillows are memory foam. Yeah, that's definitely memory foam. Which I personally would not have it any other way. Once you go memory foam, there is no going back. A chair with a footrest, a table to the left of it. Well, the video will be on the right, but if you're sitting on it, it's on the left. Oh, they actually give you a little bottled water. Straight from Niagara Falls, I'm sure. So that's nice. Nice touch. To the desk. There's my stuff on it. Coffee maker with coffee. There's my Nintendo Switch charging, which a Switch Lite, if you're out of town, is good for taking with you and keeping you entertained. Especially considering you can put Hulu on the Switch, and then you have all your games too. But that's a different topic for a different video. So as I was saying, there's a socket on the desk for whatever you want to plug in, but it was previously occupied by the microwave. It'd be nice if they had a socket on the desk besides the microwave, but you can unplug the microwave for a second. I mean, it's like you're going to be using the microwave all day, so whatever. Anyway. There's a microwave. There's a refrigerator. The little freezer. Little cube tray. Which begs the question, why would you need an ice bucket? And onto the view. I'm not sure where this door leads. Oh, wait, hold on. Can we actually go out on the balcony? We can. Oh my gosh. That is amazing. Is this going to lock behind me? If it does, I'm screwed. You know what? I'll put this. Okay, so there's like a balcony apparently. That's pretty cool. I have never been in a hotel that had that. There's the view outside the balcony. I have never seen this before. Especially at a hotel at this price. Which I'll tell you what that is in a minute. Alright, so I guess that's about it. And you can lock the door in case someone climbs the balcony and tries to get into your room. Well, maybe if you have kids, I don't know. But you can. Okay, so once again, that is the Radisson in Lenexa, Kansas. And I would say this is definitely a good upper range budget hotel, I would say. The price of this room was, right, $70. And quite frankly, for that price, I am impressed. I didn't think anything this nice was going to be that price. That rhymes. Of course, and this is not an advertisement, this is just how I do it. If you want to get rooms like this for prices like this, go to the Hopper app and pay through there. That's how you can get the best deals, and then when you buy it, you'll get points that you can use towards another hotel stay. So yeah, that's how I find all the best deals on hotels. They're the cheapest, and then you earn points getting hotels through them, which saves you even more money next time. Rinse and repeat. Anyway, that is the Radisson Hotel in Lenexa, Kansas. This is how it is. Hope you enjoyed this little tour of it. Would recommend, would stay again, definitely. Definitely one of the nicer hotels for this price that I've been to. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. See you at the next one.